Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another tutorial coming from me to you guys. Today's tutorial is on how to treat a white dots, those annoying dots you see on your skin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to treat them. After watching this video today, you will learn how to treat those annoying white dots on your body and they will disappear. Alright guys, so if you are just stopping by my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you really find this video very interesting, give me a thumbs up, drop your comments on the comment chat below. Okay guys, I'm going to just give you like 2 seconds to click on that subscribe button. Please do let me like mute myself for some time. Okay, so I'm giving you time to subscribe. Please, I know you have done that. Thank you. Welcome to the family. Welcome. We have a lot to learn in this channel. So welcome. Invite others, invite your friends. Let's keep growing. New subscribers, you are welcome to my family. You are welcome to my channel. Old subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you. I cannot thank you enough, and I love you guys so much. Welcome all of you. Please remember to support me in your own little way. I beg you, support your girl. Support me by sharing my video, by giving me a thumbs up, dropping your comments on the comment chat below. I will really appreciate it. Please do. If you requested for a video and I've not done it, please, I am just taking my time. I will take it one after the other, and all the tutorial I will do them all. Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you things you have at home that you can use to treat these white dots and they will disappear from your body. You have your beautiful skin back. So I'm going to be showing you what to use, things that you have in your kitchen, things that you can easily find. So after this tutorial, you can treat your white dots on your own and it will disappear. Those white dots don't just appear on your body for no reasons. At times it could be age, at times it could be fake cream, or you use like hydroquinone cream that contain this. You want to bleach off your body, you are bleaching with chemicals. The best cream to use is natural cream for your skin. Learn how to pamper your skin, because your skin is very important. Yes, your skin defines who you are. Even if you are wearing rag and your skin looks good, nobody will know. Everybody will always appreciate you. They want to be like you. So make sure you take care of your skin. Our tutorial today is on how to remove white dots out, how to clear it from our body. That is our tutorial today. So I'm going to be showing you things that you need for this treatment. Alright guys, so things that we need for this treatment of white dots is, what I have here is salt. This is salt. We all know salt. You can use any salt. So the second thing we'll be using is a baking soda. This is baking soda. We all know baking soda. You can get it in the market. So the next thing we'll be using is a HB12. This is HB12 blood tonic. HB12 is everywhere in the pharmacy. So when you go there, you ask them of HB12. Vitamin B12. Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do this right now. So we are going to mix this together. So I'm going to be taking 1 spoon of this. So you mix the quantity you'll be using for that day. Mix with salt. So I'm going to be taking another spoon from the baking soda. Just the one you'll be using for that day. So just form a paste with it. You see? So I think it's okay now. So guys, I'm done mixing it. We also the way I mix it, just every day you mix the one you will be using, or you can just mix and keep. If you want to mix in a large quantity, you can just mix, and keep it. It will not spoil. So what we'll do next now is all those areas where you have white dots on your skin. What you need to do is just, after mixing this, you apply it all over there and carry it for like 30 minutes, then you wash it out. Continue doing it until all clears. All right guys, so if you find this video very interesting, educative, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget, to support me in your own little way. And don't forget, if it works for you, come back, drop your comments so that others will know that it works. Giving me a thumbs up, dropping your comments on the comment chat below. Yeah, I will appreciate it. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.